Hey guys, Aya here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys the specifics of exactly how to integrate Stripe using Pushlap Growth. So there are three main ways to integrate Stripe using Pushlap Growth, and we'll check them out by going to Dashboard Integrations. The first step that I would like to show you, the first method that I would like to show you guys in this video is using the Stripe Sessions API. Now, I've seen a lot of people making this mistake of, they are using a different platform that then has a Stripe integration to it, and then they're confused about not being able to use Pushlap Growth. Well, to use the Stripe Sessions API, right, you need to be calling Stripe from within your code yourself. So if you didn't build your platform and you're not using Stripe Sessions API, just like this, like you're not creating checkouts using stripe.checkout.sessions.create in your code that you have control over, then you can't use this integration method, unfortunately. And if we do not support the platform that you use directly, then I'm afraid you will not be able to use Pushlap Growth. That's pretty much it with that. So without further ado, if you use stripe.checkout.sessions.create in your code, then this method of integration is for you. You can integrate Pushlap Growth in 3 simple steps. I've set up a simple Next.js project that should allow us to create something like that, right? So first step is by copying the tracking code to help you track clicks. So copy that and make sure it is available on all the pages of your website. So for me, I believe this is the script. I already copied it in here. So, 290 is the ID. So copy that and make sure it is available so we can start tracking clicks. The second step is by connecting your Stripe account, right? So it will ask you to connect an account. So click on connect. For me, I will connect an account in test mode. So I will choose to connect an account in test mode. And I hope I am not already. Let's see. I'm not sure if I've already connected this account to another affiliate program, but if I have, okay, so it's already linked to another program, and you cannot connect two different accounts in Pushlap Growth. You cannot connect the same Stripe account to two affiliate programs, right? You need to connect one, right? You need to connect one affiliate. You need to connect one Stripe account to an affiliate program. If you want to create multiple affiliate programs, you have to have multiple Stripe accounts for those. So let me see. I'll try to connect that one as well. That is interesting. So it seems like I have connected that one as well. So I'll just keep trying because I have connected my Stripe accounts to multiple different affiliate programs at this point, as you can imagine. Maybe this. Okay, so nothing seems to be working. Oh, okay, so actually the reply sync old account did actually connect, right? Let me disconnect it and reconnect again to just make sure that is the case. I believe it's probably throwing an error, like it wasn't meant to throw an error. Very slow internet today. I'll just refresh the page. I have extremely slow internet today. I'll just reconnect to my mobile internet and try that now. Yep, so it's disconnected. Let's try connecting. Apply sync alt. Continue. And if it tells you that an account is already, like you have PushLab Growth already installed, it doesn't mean that you have connected that account already, right? You could, okay, so that got installed. I could go back here and see if that was the case. Yep, so that is the case. It has been installed in my account. So if you want to install PushLab Growth and connect it again to a Stripe account, even though it's telling you it's already installed in that Stripe account, you still need to complete the process. Otherwise, if you do not connect it and have it looking like this, it means your Stripe account is not connected to PushLab Growth, right? So you should probably handle that. And let's see. We will go to replacing old. And then we will go to test mode. Yep. So that is perfect. We have now completed the second step of connecting Stripe integration, right? So the third step is actually sending the affiliate data to Stripe so that Stripe then connects to our servers and tells us which affiliate referred that customer, right? So when you are creating a checkout session, right? That's why this uses the sessions API. When you're creating the checkout sessions, you can actually pass in a special variable to Stripe called client reference ID, right? That allows you to pass any value you want. For us, we would want to transmit this window.affiliate ID from the front end to the back end because this can only be called in the back end, right? Look at the Stripe documentations for that. And basically, if there is a current affiliate, right, it's going to give us that affiliate ID and we can pass it as client reference ID. So let's do that shortly. I believe in test page, we should have something. Okay, we do not have something set up. Let me see. Okay, so let's see. By the way, what I'm doing right now is that I'm just trying to see where I have called this before in this project. Okay, so I haven't called it before, right? So I will just copy a place. By the way, this is just Next.js stuff, right? So might not be necessarily useful to you guys. Create Stripe session. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to our index and then we will just copy this mutation and we will call it create Stripe session test, right? We need the price ID. Actually, we do not need the price ID. We just need the affiliate ID, right? So we are going to pass in the affiliate ID. And then we will just delete all this because we do not need it. And then we will, okay, we'll do this try catch. And then we'll just create the checkout session this way. Subscription. Client reference ID will be input.affiliate ID if that is there. Otherwise, it will be undefined. And then the price will be. So where we will get this price is by creating a product. I do not believe we have any products in our Stripe account. So we'll go to the product catalog. Okay, we do have some products, right? So we are just going to copy one of those. Let's see, do we have any monthly products? Okay, we do have monthly products, right? So we will go to its price. Okay, and then we will go to just copy that and then place it, right? And then the quantity will put 2000. This needs to be a string. And so for the trial period, we'll put 7 days, right? So we'll put 7 days in that. And then we will just copy this into our I do not think you guys can actually see my programming screen. So what can I do? Yeah, basically what I'm doing is just setting up the code to use Stripe whenever we call it in our code, right? So that's what I'm doing, because if I stop this recording, then it's gonna have to start, like I'm gonna have to start over, so I might not be able to do that, unfortunately. So for now, just understand that I've wrote some code that is going to call Stripe, right? And I'll go to our test page and I'll paste the Stripe code in there. And then I'll just put a button that says click me, right? And then just pick affiliate ID. Test. For undefined. So for the affiliate ID, to pass it to the backend, I'm actually using window as any, because in Next.js it does not allow you access to that button automatically. Sorry, the Windows object and its properties. Run dev. We'll just run the page now. So when I click on test page, firstly, let me go and, okay, if I click on that, does it work? Oh, okay, I do not have the proper developer keys set up from Stripe. So my API keys, again, these are test keys. There's no reason for you to copy them, but hey. Stripe, Envy. So as you can see, we have been referred by this affiliate because I previously came to this page using an affiliate code like this, right? So we have been referred by this affiliate with this discount code. Although the discount code won't work because it wasn't connected to my Stripe when that discount code was created. But if I click on Click Me right now, let's see, does that work? Doesn't. Okay, I think I know what is going on. So it's a private procedure. We're gonna put a public procedure instead, and that should be okay. It is still not working. So, okay, there's an issue with the code. Let me just. Let me quickly fix that at the moment. It should be as simple as just, you know, initiating a checkout in Stripe, but it's taking a bit of time. Okay, so let's see if that works now. I've made some changes in the code again. Okay, so it seems that's working. Great, perfect. So that seems to be working right now, right? And the pardon, the affiliate that has this coupon code is, let's go and find that affiliate right now. Actually, let's go to coupons, settings, coupons, put a link in new tab. I'll just go ahead and find that affiliate at the moment. So there are 3 promo codes here. By the way, when I was saying coupons, I meant promo codes. Sorry. So which one is it? TX91. Yep. So it seems this is the affiliate right here, Abdul.io. So herdflip@gmail.com, right? So if we just go to that specific affiliate, when I click it, it should actually go to the affiliate, but hey. So as you can see, these are the referrals that we have on this affiliate account, right? Now, if I end up making any sales, so it means that I have referred a customer to that person's account, to that person, right? So this affiliate has referred a customer, and then the customer is checking out in Stripe. Let's say test from Stripe, gmail.com. We'll enter test information 0129893 test Stripe, right? And then we will start our trial. So now I want to show you guys how it will be when a customer starts a trial. You will see that a um a referral is created on PushLab Growth for that customer. And we will just make sure we activate the commission plan rate here. So I already got the notification. Actually, if I refresh this page, if I go back to the test page, okay, and then I refresh that page, right, we will see there are 4 referrals. So we see this test Stripe at gmail.com. We can see that the revenue is 0 and then the commissions is 0. Now, anytime that customer makes a payment, it will go through the commission plan that we have set up. So let's see the commission plan. It's the base commission plan, right, which is 20% for 1 month. So the first month, right? So let's simulate that customer, right? Let's simulate that customer having completed their 7-day trial, and then they make a payment for $12. So we will, how can we, okay, that's the subscription. Yep, so we can run a simulation and we can select the future time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just select 23rd. So it would mean that their trial is ending on 21. So on 23rd, they would have paid, right? So it's advancing the clock. And now this is currently on October 23rd. So this person has made a payment for Light Monthly, $12, right? And we will wait for PushLab Growth to process that in the back end. So let's see if it's already been processed. Nope, not yet. Okay, so it says it's a draft invoice and it will be automatically paid. Okay, so I'll just come here and click on charge customer. And then, so it seems like the payment was not automatically taken from the customer. So since that is now paid, this is basically simulating a customer paying for their subscription after the 7-day trial was over. Since that is now paid, it should still take a while to process it on our backend, but let's just refresh. And it has been processed. So $12 has been paid and $12 has been added to the PushLab Growth dashboard, and the commissions have been added already. So I just wanted to show you guys that when a customer starts a trial, right, it goes as a referral on PushLab Growth's dashboard, right? But when they pay immediately, it shows up as a sale. And even though they pay after their trial, we automatically track that as long as your Stripe account is connected. Now, the second way to actually do tracking without client reference ID, because you could be using that field for something else, is using metadata, right? So you can use the metadata field that says PushLab affiliate ID, and then you can pass the window.affiliate ID. This video went a bit longer than I would have expected, but yeah, I hope you guys understand how to track sales and referrals using Stripe and PushLab Growth using Stripe Sessions API now. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.